Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to store photos, videos, files, and everything on your phone automatically on your Gmail account, whether automatically or manually, according to your desire. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. I thank you very much from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the hair. The first step, my friend, to be able to store and save photos and everything on the beauty, you have to install this application from your app store. It is available on the iPhone and on Android. Its name is Google Drive. After that, you enter this application and log in with the same Gmail in which you want to store files, photos and videos. To make sure, just click on the profile icon here and make sure that you are connected to the same Gmail. After that, if you want to store photos, videos and everything manually, just click on the plus sign, then click on download and it will take you directly to your phone gallery and choose the photo or video that you want to store or save on My Beauty. However, if you want store photos, videos and everything automatically in your Gmail account, click on the three small lines above here, then click on Backup. After that, click on Backup Settings. Here you will find storing photos and videos. If you only want to store photos and videos automatically, activate this option. If you want to store and save all files and everything on your phone, select the second option. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.